Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Ginamit ho ni Senator Leila de Lima yung salitang collective insanity nitong mga katsokaran, mga alipores daw ni Duterte sa palasyo. Yan ho'y pahayag niya ho ng the other day sa media. Ngayon mga boss, kaya sinabing collective insanity, lahat ho yung mga kabilang doon sa sinasabing conspiracy of the insane as collective insanity. If anybody works together into one common purpose, collectively, it could be called conspiracy. And if it's all about, insanity, yung mga logic and reasonings and everything there is, and throw the kitchen sink lamang kay De Lima, and so therefore it could be called, conspiracy of the insane. Kasi insanity is a term used collectively for those people who are insane, using the logic and the reasons and rationality ng mga siraulo. Medyo malalim ho itong aking sasabihin. Let's play a little bit of logic dito, philosophy. Malalim ho kasi si Senator Leila de Lima. Kasi ang sabi niya ho, it's all a sham conclusion. Yun ho sabi niya. They're saying that there is sufficient evidence in not recommending prosecution so that this is ironic and this is self-contradictory. Ma'am, totoo yung sinasabi mo, Senator Leila de Lima. The minority of the Congress, those people, sila Suarez et al., is against, and they've expressed their disgust doon sa majority na sa pangunguno ng katsokaran mong kumpare mo Secretary or Senator Leila de Lima na si Reynaldo Umali, Congressman ng Oriental Mindoro, na yan ay malapit kay Pinoy. Dilaw yan na kumambyo lang pumunta kay Duterte. Yun ang congressman na nakinabang ng husto sa termino ni Pinoy at yung Department of Justice. Kaya kung meron man collective insanity, nangiral pa rin yung sinasabing sympathy and pity. These insane, for one common purpose and a certain objective to conspire, and sila-sila na lang, doon sa majority na, wag na nating sampan ng kaso to. Gawin na lang natin dahilan na sabihin na lang natin, hindi namin trabaho, sabi ng mayorya, hindi namin trabaho ang magsampa ng kaso. Trabaho namin ang mag-imbestiga in any legislation. Tama yon. Sabi naman ng mga minorya sa Kongreso, kundi ba naman kayo putok sa buho kayo dyan sa mayorya, na mga dilawan naman kayo, nagkambyo lang kayo to sip-sip, mga higop kayo. Kung yan ay panahon ni Pinoy at nangyari sa panahon ni Pinoy, Department of Justice that time, na medyo, kung panahon ni Pinoy, Department of Justice ng panahon ni Gloria, nako, hindi lang in aid of legislation, you will be recommending filing charges, which is exactly ang ginagawa ho ng mga dating dilawan. In example ho ni Suarez yan sa minority ng Congress, that if this happened during the term of the previous administration, it's not going to be only in aid of legislation without anything in conclusion at the end. Iba ho yung sasabihin mo, that's not our job. All of a sudden, you just throw it to the executive to file cases against De Lima for whatever evidence, material evidence, or anything documentary evidence. Tama yon. But kung ito ho'y sa termino ng mga dilaw ni Pinoy, alam mo gagawin yan? Kung kapanahon ho ni Leila de Lima yan, ang Department of Justice, kung that time, ipoprosecute ho nila yan They will file charges against that person. Kung si de Lima ho ay panahon ni Gloria at saka ang nakaupo ngayon, parang ganyan ho yung kultura ho ng mga dilaw. Pag hindi ka kasama, iipitin ka, persecution ang tawag. And it happened to be, Leila, in answering exactly what you're saying, if they're saying there's sufficient evidence and they're not recommending prosecution, so that's ironic and that's self-contradictory. Why don't you ask your buddy? Why don't you ask si Congressman Umali? And he can tell you straight in your face, Hey, for good time's sake, for sentimental reason, magka-chokeran tayo. Anong silbi ng ating pagiging kumare-kumpare kung ikay prosecute ko? Kahit naman paano, meron man tayong pinagsamahan. Iba na yung may pinagsamahan, kaibigan. Dilaw. Di ba? Are you trying to challenge Umali? Si Umali is hesitant and his Committee on Justice hesitant to do something like sasabihin kay Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre, if you have a strong evidence, material evidence and documentary evidence linking, we encourage you, and whatever it is that you've seen here, use that to file case charges against De Lima. Hindi ho eh. They turn their face the other way and not want to look straight, because if they look straight, makikita nila si De Lima, kaibigan nila, hindi na pwede. So, using the word collective insanity, it's the word ginamit ho ni Laila De Lima to describe yung mga kachokar, mga alipores ni Duterte sa palasyo, the palace. He looks at the palace as the people working in the palace are collectively insane. Gamit niya ho yan. So if the people collectively, and so therefore, if you have people working collectively with their, logic and sense of reasoning, is insanity, I could say it straight in your face, that is a conspiracy of the insane. Nakita niyo ba?